Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 3-minute review on some Maui Moisture products. This is a shampoo and conditioner that I picked up at Target, and it's their Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is for frizzy, unruly hair. This is a product that I purchased solely because of the scent. This smells so amazing. I picked it up at Target on a whim, even though I didn't really need any shampoo or conditioners, and I do really love them in terms of the scent. Now, if we're talking about performance and claims, this is for frizzy, unruly hair, which I do have, and it is supposed to defrizz, mend, and restore. So this was an average shampoo and conditioner, but I do really love that it is sulfate free and the conditioner is silicone free. Those are two things that I definitely look for when it comes to both drugstore and high-end hair products. So I definitely think that's great. In terms of performance, I cleaned out my hair pretty well and it moisturized it well. I am kind of indifferent when it comes to shampoo and conditioners unless I'm using them for when I have my curly hair, like doing the whole curly girl method. Then I don't really care. I'm not particularly picky about my shampoo or conditioner as long as it meets the criteria of being silicone and sulfate free, which these are. So that's great, and they smell amazing. I've only seen them at Target though, so I'm not sure if you can get them anywhere else, but I definitely recommend them if you are someone who is not particularly picky. If you have like severely damaged hair and you're looking for something that is deeply, intensely moisturizing, this might not be it for you, but for like daily use or like every other day, depending on how often you wash your hair, I definitely recommend these. These are like good, basic, affordable hair care products. Those are my thoughts on this Maui Moisture shampoo and conditioner. It just smells so good. It's really the scent that got me, guys. Ooh, spilling it. Anyway, if you made it to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.